In 2015, I went to an Audubon bird garden workshop and learned about creating ecosystems that support wildlife, particularly birds, and learned that when you plant native plants that they attract the kind of bugs and environment that birds need to survive. And so I pulled out almost all the non-natives and replaced them with native plants, and I have to say within about 6 months I noticed a big difference and started seeing more birds, and after a year had passed it was a radically different place, and it's really quite a joy. My name is LaBrecque and I love my Audubon bird garden.